Good morning, everybody. My name is Pamela Pierce, and I'm making this video from Crestview, Florida. Um, at the moment, good morning, everybody. My name is Pamela Pierce, and I'm videoing from Florida. At the current moment, I am not employed outside of the home. I have 5 children and I'm a military spouse, so I'm constantly busy and always on my toes and running. And so I'm just focusing on school, trying to finish the program, and then I will begin working outside the home. Um, my experiencing, good morning, everybody. My name is Pamela Pierce. I'm sending this message from Florida. I'm currently not working outside of the home. I'm a mom of 5 children and a military spouse, so always something to keep me busy in addition to school. Those are my main focuses right now is school and my family. I did finish my field placement back in May. And while I was doing that, I was working in a location that we did work with families. It was called Catch. And we worked with homeless families and trying to help them stabilize and get them placed into housing. It was a wonderful program, and it was a wonderful experience in helping them just meet the basic need of housing and help them reestablish their lives again. We worked very closely with these families. I was the case manager to approximately 6 families, and so that was my experience. As far as the structure of my own personal family growing up, my mom was a single mom, and I had an older brother. And in the family, my role was pretty much peacekeeper. And in my role now as in my own personal family now, I'm mom. When my husband's gone, I'm mom, dad, everybody. And so I tend to take on the leadership role in my home, and I feel that that will impact my work in the social work field because in this field, we have to be empathetic, but we also have to play many roles and help them stabilize, families stabilize. And we also have to play peacekeeper many times with families and help them just see different views and help them process through some things. So I don't have any burning questions at this time. I'm sure that throughout the course I will have some that arise, but I know that I have classmates and I'm looking forward to getting to know our professor. I will certainly reach out. I wish everybody the best, and I look forward to getting to know everybody over the next few weeks. Best of luck. Have a great day.